Okay, today I'm going to do the service in my toy. So I'm gonna replace the oil and replace the stud, replace the rotor, and a brake. Okay, I can do the open oil pan first. That way I'll let it drip for a while I'm working on the other parts. Okay, already open the oil pan, and you have to open the cover on the top first. That way the oil is flowing faster. Now I'm going to remove the wheels and replace the rotor and the brake. At the same time, I just noticed the stud, one of them is broken, so I'm gonna replace all the same time because this service is working so hard for me. So fishing season is coming up. It's gonna be towing the boat all over the place. Anyway, get started. Remove the caliper too. That way we replace the brake. Brake is gone. Look. This one is still okay. That's why I'm keeping the old one. If there is a thicker one, that way I can use it. There I got lots of spare. See? Why? I'm not going to buy anymore. See, this still thick. It's still thick. And this one too. So I need to remove the caliper too. That way you can remove the rotor. That's gone. I got the new one. One new. Let's see. And the start. Because this one, when the last time I went to change my tire, the tire man strip the threads. I want to get in the torque, I mean the thing. There you go. See, it's easy. Easy. You're willing to work. Otherwise, ask for money. Money for the mechanic. And you need the C-hook too. That way you don't need somebody to help you to bleed the system. It's just this.